Hello guys, in this tutorial video I'm going to show you how you can block somebody on Facebook. Also, if you are interested in Facebook marketing, like how to grow and make more money from Facebook, check out our free Facebook resources and sign up for a free newsletter below. So first you need to click your profile picture and click settings and privacy. Then you're going to click settings, then you're going to scroll down to audience and visibility and click blocking. Now next to block users, you're going to click edit and add to blocked list. Now you're gonna just type in the name of the person you want to block, and you're gonna just click block next to their name. Now Facebook explains you what blocking actually does, like this person will no longer be able to see your posts, tag you, invite you to events, message you and add you as a friend. If you are okay with that, you can just click confirm. It's really important that later you can unblock somebody if you feel like they should no longer be blocked. So now you just click confirm. So now you've successfully blocked this person. So all in all, this is how you block somebody on Facebook. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with Facebook checklist for free, or the Facebook page growth checklist and other Facebook marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, we have a free weekly Facebook marketing newsletter that you can also sign up below. And last but not least, if this tutorial wasn't up to date, make sure to check the more detailed and updated tutorial blog post as well, that you can also find in the video description below.